Hi, I'm Bob Bailey, a learning specialist with Brightcove. In this video, you'll learn how to organize videos using folders. The Media module offers the ability to organize videos using folders. Having videos in folders makes them easier to manage in accounts with hundreds or thousands of videos. Folders are displayed in the side navigation panel. The number after the folder name indicates how many videos are in the folder. To create a new folder, click the Create Folder link and enter a name for the folder. When you're done, press Enter. I'm going to create one more folder. There are a couple of ways to add videos to a folder. You can select one or more videos, and then click More, move to Folder, select the folder, and then click Move. You can also use Search to find videos and then add them to a folder. I'm going to search for the bird videos. I'll select them all and then add them to the birds folder. Note that a video can only be assigned to one folder, and nested folders are not supported. Once videos have been assigned to a folder, you can click on the folder name to see the videos in that folder. The drop-down menu can be used to rename or delete a folder. To remove videos from a folder, select one or more videos and click Remove Videos, Remove Videos from Folder. You can also just move them to another folder.